Hello everybody and welcome back to the Chateau. First of all, thank you all for your lovely comments wishing me happy birthday. That has of course been and gone, and what a weekend that was. Yeah, that's as much as I'm going to divulge that one. And we've been back to work since, although today might seem bright sunshine now, but it has been pelting down all day, which has rather got in the way. But all right, so we do have a pile of logs over there, and we've rolled those over there. They may go out of seating, they may just stay behind certain areas where we don't want people to go. However, finally, the tree of the wreckage has gone. So we're getting down to the horse box bar is here, ready to finish the last couple of bits and get that in place. But the thing that we have been doing the most, and of course the thing which had the most amount of comments the other day with suggestions, which really wasn't very well understood, is the stage roof. Now obviously that's actually the roof. It's upright, it should come down so we can measure stuff, because we've got somebody that's plastic welding all of the roof together. And this is made to all go in the trailer with the rest of the stage. That is the point of this. So I have been down in the workshop welding away and making stuff fit so bits go on top of this like that, see? Think. And then it all comes together. Same as, oh, actually, where's the middle one? Yeah, that slots in together as well. That's quite a good job, that's tight. So these are two pieces. So that is something really important, because lots of you were talking, rightly so, about putting a tarp or something between these trees. But of course, as I've said, everything this year, if it is not done properly, so it is done not to repair again next year, at this late stage near the party, of course, there could be some things that need to be done upon pack down before it's packed down for the winter. But if it is not done properly this year, it is not getting done. So the stage roof will not be something that's temporary. That will be something that we can use again and again and again. Same with the horse box bar. That will get finished, so it is done and can be used again and again and again. And now I need to fix something else, so I can use it again and again and again and get some more clearing up done. So I've just been to the mower shop, which is handily located at the end of my driveway, to get some new full fuel pipe for a strimmer, because it was all corroded, split and sucking up air, so not running. With a little bit of luck, we'll have a strimmer working again. Maybe, just maybe, that sunshine might stay here rather than the rain. Will it work? Oh, there's some sort of fuel bits. We're sucking fuel. Well, that's going to be enough. It's a whole different matter. You're not really seem to be building pressure, do you? That's not fair. All right, finally it runs. Stay running. Stay running. Let's try it. So we still have many issues. Right, well, where is he? Shall we see? Shall we see? Solved. I have a working strimmer. having essentially lost most of the day because of the weather, and a few other days to be fair, it's coming down to a bit like battlefield triage now. We're going through the list of the most important immediately rather than what we want, and leaving what we can't, hoping then we get more helpers or, I don't know, who knows, a miracle. But over here, the little camping area, I really want to be able to get trimmed down to the banks. Everyone, you might think that's more vanity, but it's not. It's because people always go a bit too close to edges. They can't see where the edge is because it's not a straight bank, it's all comes in, out, it's all hidden by bushes. That could be dangerous, so I'd rather them see the clear edge, and I need to create space with that needs to go. So, more strimming. Once upon a time, I know when, 2016, because of my wedding, this was logs and a seating area, and ever since it's just been stuff to strim around, which doesn't get strimmed, so it's going. Only so much strimming you can do before your back hurts, even with one of those harnesses, and that's where I'm at. Got lots of other stuff done today, and something I didn't show you, which I did get before, my little barbecue, so I am getting somewhere. Bit of weeding before the big day, but the sofas are back, the chairs, the bars there, we've just got to deal with the roof, everything's jet washed. So, bit of weeding, last chairs and last bits of decorating. Got a terrace again, which has been quite nice because I've got a chance to use this as well. Not only do I have the terrace back, the bridge has been jet washed, so there's a stone at the end, so we're all, of course, won't get a chance for the party to another coat of this. Well, I might, but the stone at this end is all done. We just need to do those pots and put something in it, and we're getting somewhere. So that is a terrace pretty much done, the bridge is pretty much done, the back garden's done, and of course I have a dining room back. Getting somewhere. And of course, as much as this is just for the party, and on that note, lots of you have said, because I mentioned it's for a couple of charities, raising money for a couple of charities, are there any Just Giving pages or anything like that? No. Something we're doing locally. It's very nice of you to ask, but I think we should all do our own little bit for our own choice of charities, not somebody else's. So, you know, it's what we're doing here to raise a little bit of money for our chosen charities, and they mean something to the people coming here or the people locally for the animal shelter. So thank you so much everyone for your offer, but I just don't think that that's right. No, as I was saying, it's one of those things that this is not just for the party, it's also to make this entire place easier to maintain, easier to look after, and easier and nicer to be in. Now it's just me. So hopefully all of these things afterwards, because they're all a little bit better, means I can spend a bit more time, a lot more time, trying to get the place in the decorative state that I want, so I can get back to this bedroom suites and everything. So let's hope the weather tomorrow is bright and sunny, because I'm starting to panic a little bit about our deadline. But that's fine. It's still my birthday week. So I'm off out to meet somebody for some drinks, and I will see everybody tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye now.